I'm going to walk you through how to make a custom button on your Simplebooklet. So first things is to log onto your account and then locate the booklet you want to work on. And then once you have that booklet, you can go ahead and press Design here, the Design tab. And that will open you up in the Design tab with your booklet. And you go ahead and locate the Engage button, which is the bullseye over here. And then from there, you can go to the NAVBAR engagement segment and then find the custom button. So you can toggle that guy on and off. As you can see, it's up here. It might be in a different location for you depending on the NAVBAR layout that you've chosen, but mine is just right up here. And let's go ahead and open this and I'll show you how to edit it. So of course, you probably wouldn't call yours button, but just for clarity's sake, I use button for this, and I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And then from there, you just get your URL that you want to use, whatever link you have, probably to your website, or maybe there's some supporting documentation, and that's where you would put that information. And so once you have that, you can click out of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and go into preview. And so here it is here again, the button. And when you click that button, it automatically takes you to the website that you've assigned it. So it's a really handy way to give your audience additional information. Of course, if it's your website, you would write whatever that is there, or maybe it's, maybe it's a function to go buy tickets, or, depending on what it is, perhaps it's just a sign up button somewhere. So this can be a really easy way to engage your audience and to have them do that extra step depending on what it is that where you're wanting to take them. So that's all I have for you this afternoon. Thanks.